Alright, so when I first stuck this on, I stuck it on arbitrarily, so I'm not sure if that was right, but it keeps wanting to go this way. I'd like this to go up, but I guess it really depends on how you decide to mount this thing. I don't know. Maybe if I do this, it'll... Come on. No, now it points further down still. Okay, so it's going this way. Undo the whole thing about there. So what if we do... Would it matter if I did this? I don't know, it's really hard to figure out sometimes. Sometimes you can get these things, and sometimes they just want to point the wrong way, the way that you don't want them to. And since this is not one of those... Oh, no, it is. I was wrong. It's spin.
Likey.